The biggest mystery in the universe so far is the existence of dark matter and dark energy. Till now, we do not have the complete information about them. But the effects of these mysterious matters are unbelievable and unimaginable. Since we are living in this beautiful universe, we need to have some knowledge about our universe. The information that I have regarding the dark matter and dark energy, let me share with you in this video. So watch the video till the end. Here it goes. The first question is what our universe is made up of. Our universe is made of three types of matter. They are normal matter, dark matter, and dark energy. Normal matter occupied only 5% and remaining 95% in our universe are occupied by dark matter, 27%, and dark energy, 68%. Normal matter makes up all the different atoms that we find in modern periodic table. Normal matter consists of the atoms that make up stars, planets, human beings, animals, and every other visible object in the universe. As humbling as it sounds, normal matter almost certainly accounts for the smallest portion of the universe. Dark matter makes up most of the masses of galaxies and galaxy clusters and is responsible for the way galaxies are organized in huge scales. Dark energy, a hypothetical form of energy that produces a force that opposes gravity and is thought to be the cause of accelerating expansion of the universe. The second question is, why dark matter is called dark? First, it is dark, meaning that it is not in the form of stars and planets that we see. Unlike normal matter, dark matter does not interact with the electromagnetic force. This means it does not absorb, reflect, or emit light, making it extremely hard to spot. In fact, researchers have been able to infer the existence of dark matter only from the gravitational effect it seems to have on visible matter. Existence of dark matter. A Swiss-American astronomer, Fritz Zwicky, who in 1933 discovered that the mass of all the stars in the Coma cluster of galaxies provided only about 1% of the mass needed to keep the galaxies from escaping the cluster's gravitational pull. Dark matter is composed of particles that do not absorb, reflect, or emit light, so they cannot be detected by observing electromagnetic radiation. Dark matter is the material that cannot be seen directly. We know that the dark matter exists because of the effect it has on objects that we can observe directly. Dark matter can be trapped inside massive objects, and much of it may be closer to the surface of stars and planets that we realized. On Earth, there may be more than 10 trillion dark matter particles in each cubic centimeter of the planet's crust. The most mysterious part is the dark energy, which was discovered in 1998 by American and Australian astronomers. It is a repulsive force that is the dominant component of the universe, and it is about 68%. The remaining portion of the universe consists of ordinary matter and dark matter. Dark energy, in contrast to both forms of matter, is relatively uniform in time and space and is gravitationally repulsive, not attractive within the volume it occupies. The nature of dark energy is still not well understood. Dark energy is an unknown form of energy that affects the universe on the largest scales. The first observational evidence for its existence came from measurements of supernovas, which shown that the universe does not expand at a constant rate. Rather, the universe expansion is accelerating. The third question is, what evidence do we have to support the existence of dark matter? Number 1. Dark matter affects the movement of stars within the galaxies. In our solar system, almost all the mass is in the Sun. The innermost planets like Mercury and Venus orbits the Sun the fastest. As the distance from the Sun increases, the speed at which the planet moves decreases. Since the gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of masses, so the planet like Neptune and Pluto orbit the Sun the slowest. We can apply same analogy to galaxies. If we assume that the bright part of a galaxy shows where most of the mass is, then most of the mass is near the center. And at the dim edge of the galaxy, there should not be much mass. Therefore, objects orbiting far from the center of the galaxy should move faster than objects closer to the center, just like the planets in our solar system. To test this hypothesis, scientists recorded the incoming light from the distant spiral galaxy and plotted the velocities of the star versus their distance from the center of the galaxy. Scientists discovered that stars were not behaving in the way anticipated. They found that the stars farther away from the center were moving faster than the inner stars. The only way this is possible is if there is more mass in the outer parts of the galaxies than we can observe. The fact that we are unable to see this mass because it is not emitting light suggests the presence of dark matter. The second is dark matter masses with galaxy mass. The total mass of a galaxy is far more than the expected mass of a galaxy. The third one is dark matter bends light. We know that black holes bend light around the event horizon. But black holes alone do not bend light. The gravity of dark matter is so great that it can bend light around galaxies. The effect is known as gravitational lensing. Dark matter and dark energy are two things do not interact with electromagnetic waves and light. So, these are completely hidden and invisible. However, they have a strong gravitational effect on objects in space, which is why their presence in the space is. Dark matter attracts other objects towards it by exerting gravitational force. The amount of dark matter in each galaxy is enough to hold all the objects in the galaxy. It is responsible for the structure of the universe. Dark energy, on the other hand, pushes objects away from repelling them through a reverse gravitational force. It is responsible for the expansion of the universe. The dark energy within the gap of the galaxy in the universe increases the speed of expansion at a rate of 72 km per second per 3.09 into 10 to the power 19 km expansion between the two galaxies. That is, the universe is expanding at an accelerating speed due to this invisible dark energy. Every second, you will experience about 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 16 kilograms of dark matter passing through your body. With this, I will end this episode. See you guys in next video. Till then, take care and be a good human being in this beautiful universe.